In this video, we will show you the replacement of the rear airbag of BMW X5. The video only shows the steps for one-side replacement. In fact, the airbags should be replaced in pairs. Prepare the air suspension and removal tools before removal disassembly. Raise the vehicle with the lifting platform. Check whether the chassis parts are loose. Connect the vehicle with the computer. The exhaust procedure will be carried out. Disconnect the fuse at F32 before exhausting. Otherwise, the exhaust procedure is not complete. Fuse position as shown in the figure. The fuse is located in the passenger compartment. Then conduct the exhaust procedure. It can be repeated up to 3 times. Disassemble the valve at the bottom of the vehicle to exhaust. Then lower the vehicle. Remove the tire. Take out the airbag and loosen the air pipe connection. Then compare whether the new and old products are consistent. When installing the airbag, rotate the upper snap to the correct position to fix it. Be careful, this airbag is a special air nozzle. The air nozzle must be replaced here. Otherwise, it will cause air leakage. Connect the air pipe first. Then fix the airbag. Replace the distribution valve line. Inflate the airbag with diagnostic equipment. The tire must be inflated before landing. lower the vehicle and install the tire. After fully releasing the vehicle, tighten the tire with a torque wrench. Installation is complete. After installation, four-wheel alignment should be carried out in